Can you restore Duolingo app icon to normal one? Because Duolingo is famous because it often changes app icons itself after recent updates. So as you can see, this is how it looks right now. It was just like April Fool's Day, and also they just changed it to Halloween, some other occasions. So that's just what they do. That's basically their marketing. So yep, that's just what you have here. But no worries. Usually it just goes back to normal one either in few days or few weeks. But you can always use apps like, I don't know, Theme Kit or Theme Pack, and just basically create a custom icon. Like as you can see here, icons, whatever, you can create a custom icon for Duolingo and just use it like that, and put this app to the app library. So can just remove app and remove from home screen, and then just use the other app icon you created. But no worries, usually the Duolingo app icon will restore to normal one in few days.